All right, so we're here at a coal mine today. It's a giant piece of coal right here outside of the entrance. I've never been in an abandoned coal mine before, so this is gonna be interesting. We already got some guys inside, a whole group. Whoa, right off the bat you can see the coal seam. I said, look at that coal seam. I didn't think I'd actually be able to see it.
They said
That is cool.
I forget where they came from. They sent a bunch of people down here during the Civil War from Missouri, I think it was.
Oh yeah?
And they were screaming because their coal veins were 2 and 4 feet wide.
Oh, so it looked like nothing to them.
Yeah, they were like,
Why'd you send us all the way up this mountain? Oh, yep, there's a bat.
oh, yeah.
Right there. Oh, that's neat, the timbering right here. Or that's the remains of that door he's probably saying.
Oh, huh.
That's cool. Got kind of low, didn't it? Wow. There's a big chunk of coal.
It was heavy. I guess I was expecting process coming.
I mean, yeah, most of it's really lightweight, so I was surprised this stuff is that heavy. Wow.
Who's up?
Alright, so it get a little sketchy.
It did.
I can,
Look right here.
I'm probably one of the lightest weights here. I can tiptoe back in there if you guys don't.
I'll go past it.
You'll go past.
I got the camera rolling, you know.
And if you go up on the shelf, you can avoid it. You know?
That looks like it might even be worse, though.
It could be worse. You're right.
I mean,
I'll move my bag. You just
I'm just cindered. So it splits off and goes that way?
It does, yeah.
Whoa.
It gets low.
It gets tight.
It gets
Okay,
real
so
low.
yeah, we want to explore this main way first. Going in. This is uncharted territory.
There's a big fall.
I know. Yeah, it turns into a mess back there.
It turns this way too. In fact, it starts splitting a bunch. Yep, it goes off this way. And it looks like it's collapsed ahead.
Completely collapsed.
It splits this way again though, and I see some timbering.
Oh yeah. It's going. We're coming, bro.
Yeah, I think it splits this way as well, but
Can you get there?
I can't get there. You'd want to explore somewhere like this first.
Oh, that one you can get to?
Yep. I'm sending it.
Okay. I'll be right behind you.
Yeah, the knee pads might have been a good idea.
Yeah, I was thinking of bringing them, but I'm like, now I'm fine.
I almost did.
It's like, nah, mine's are easy to walk through,
I
right?
know.
Little did we know.
Alright, so I'm ditching the backpack.
Yeah. We gotta be close to the surface because there's roots right here.
Yeah,
We're very close to the surface.
yeah.
Looks like it ends back there.
Yeah, there's like a shelf over here.
See what you got.
I think it is the end here. No artifacts, it's just a fat coal seam. Yep, it ends. I'm assuming that all the side tunnels kind of do a little bit of this. That was the main tunnel. And these just split off to get to the coal. All right, so we're back out. What are we doing now? Hitting another side tunnel?
This is the old rail bed.
Is it?
Yes. Look, you can still see the timbers and the rails.
Yep.
Oh yeah. I hadn't seen rail yet.
That actually looks like on the more stable side.
Flooded back here.
It is flooded.
A little bit, yeah. There's some rail back here.
I know. I was thinking that, but
I bought a cave suit. I'd be willing to do a wet crawl, but
yeah.
Here's where it gets flooded.
yeah.
A little too flooded.
Oh man, there's rails going back here and everything now.
Yeah, I know.
That splits off towards the ventilation shaft that's further down the mountain, so I bet we can connect into where this goes.
Yeah.
See how it steps up back there? That's what the last one did right as it ended, so I think it just ends.
It probably does.
I don't know what that feature is in these coal mines, but
That's interesting. You can see where they stacked excess rock on this side.
yeah. Oh, that's called gobbing. And they'd get all the excess rock and yeah, just pack it in there. I'd actually never seen gobbing before. That's cool. Does it look pretty sketchy?
It just gets a little lower and lower.
Holy crap, that gets low.
You want to belly crawl under?
Oh, wow. You'd be surprised. Don't test me.
There's more belly crawl entrances further down the mountain that are a little more stable.
Oh, is there? Well, I mean, look, the ceiling's completely smooth.
Yeah, it does look fairly stable.
I mean, I'll send it. I gotta know what's over there. I mean, shoot.
If they stack the crazy out of it.
Let me see.
Man, there's a lot of support timbers in there. I'm amazed at how intact those things are.
So I think it connects to this other stope or different little drift they had going that was collapsed over at the end of the main haulage way. It looks like it gets wider over there. Okay, there's an old rail bed. Yep. And they've stacked the rock on this side. The gobbing is perfect.
I see that. That's impressive.
The timbering looks really cool too, to hold it all in place. Whoa. This is wild. It's like very, very orange. So I think I'm gonna squeeze my way back there.
Okay.
I'm making my way back. All right, I got out of that little room there. We're back to this split. He said that one just ended over there. So we're going back out to this main way.
Imagine laying down there with a pickaxe.
Oh my God, no wonder they were complaining about a small seam.
Yeah.
They're sending that one. Yep. That one goes for a long way.
Yeah.
He does keep going. Nah, it looks pretty wet. I think I'm good.
Yeah.
Oh, does it get wet back there?
Yeah, it's pretty wet.
I wonder why the ground's all sparkly. You see how it's all crystally and sparkly? That's in the coal itself. I noticed that.
It's so weird.
I don't know what it is. It almost looks like asbestos or something, which we know it's not. But
No, I think it's like potassium nitrate crystals or something.
very sparkly though. Dang, that goes back right over there. Who mined that out, man? They're crazy.
Yeah, for real.
Well, let's see if there's another one. Wow, this thing's longer than I remembered. There it is, there's the entrance. Oh yeah, it's nice to be walking upright again. Holy moly, we were in there for 30 minutes.
No way.
Yeah, I got it on GoPro. That is crazy. I know. Felt like I was in there for 10 minutes.